Hi, good morning guys. Okay, Tuesday is here, so fresh week with even fresher fishes for you guys. Okay, so lots and lots of fishes. Those of you waiting for Balai Threadfin, it's in season. Okay, so brief you guys about Balai Threadfin. We usually take the big ones, 20 plus kg kind of fish, at least 15 to 20 plus, because it's just very nice, very oily. Okay, so very nice to eat. But the season for those, because you need a certain wave for the fishes to come to Balai that side, then they can catch. Okay, so that's why you see on off like a 2 weeks. 2 weeks you have the Balai Threadfin, 2 weeks you don't have. Okay, so basically it's back right now. I'll let you know the pricing in a short while. Okay, a lot of the parts have been sold already, but I will brief you guys in a short while. Okay, so anyway, those of you new to the channel, thank you for joining. Subscribe, subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification after you subscribe. Okay, so every time the new video is out, you guys will get notified on your phones and you can start placing your orders. Okay, so free delivery 60 and above only. Okay, so Facebook page down there, Two Girls Two Guys Private Limited. Help us to like the page. We're having a promotion for the next couple of months. So basically, just purchase $60, okay, and then we give you $5 off. Okay, so what do you need to do to get the $5 off? Okay, all you need to do, go to our this current video, okay, like the video, share it on your wall, and tag 5 of your friends. Okay, these 3 things. Take a screenshot, send it to me together with your orders, and I'll deduct $5 for every $60 they buy. So $120, I deduct $10, $180, I deduct $15, so on and so forth. Okay, so understand? Okay, the link in the description of the video is to the Telegram group link. Make sure you join the Telegram group link. Our drivers will post the live location as well as the route they are taking, so you guys know what time your orders are reaching you. Okay, so let's start with the video. So down here I've got salmon bones, $5, trout bones, $5. Belly, I only left trout belly, $8. Head, tails, all already sold already, okay, before the video can be out. Okay, so sorry about that. Those of you that want the head and tail today don't have. Okay, down here Balai belly bones, okay, $8 per plate. And then we have one Tuapan head down here. Okay, so anybody wants a Tuapan head, $2 only. Okay, then down here we have Angoli. Okay, so Angoli, normally these are the nice ones. Okay, normally $12. Today discount for you guys, $10 only per plate. Okay, so you can either choose the tail or the meat section. Okay, so I can fillet cut for you, steak cut for you, or do fish soup slices. Okay, we have Tuapan today, as you should already know, $15 per piece. Okay, Tuapan, why is it so expensive? Tuapan is considered among all the mackerel species the number 1 already. Okay, it's very nice, silky smooth, usually used for fish soup. So a lot of people request for fish soup slices for this, but of course I can do steak cuts for you for pan frying as well. Okay, $15 each. Angoli head, one left only. Okay, so if anybody wants the Angoli head, it's $16 for the whole head. It's a really big head, 1.6 kg head. Okay, a lot of meat. So if you guys want to do curry fish head or Assam fish head, you can use it. Okay, those of you that want the whole Tuapan, we have a 2.5 kg one here, $63. It's at 25 kg. Okay, down here we've got salmon for you. Norwegian salmon, this is $10. Norwegian trout is $12. And we have a Turkish rainbow trout in here, $12 as well. Okay, so sample pack for you guys, 1 rainbow trout, 1 trout, and 1 salmon for only $30. Save $4 off. Okay, then down here we have got Balai Threadfin fillets. Okay, so all the fillets already cut up for you guys already. So 1 fillet, $15. Okay, so those of you who have been waiting for this, go and stock up. Okay, because it will only be available for 1 or 2 weeks. Then after that you have a lull for another 2 weeks. So those of you that really need to feed your baby with this, you all know how good it is for a baby. Okay, go ahead and buy and stock up. Okay, these are very fresh fishes. You guys can go and store one. Okay, can go and store it in your freezer. Okay, so $15 for Balai Threadfin fillets. Tail already sold. So I only left the belly and the belly bones. Okay, so the belly, this whole belly is a 1.6 kg, I think. Yeah, 1.6 kg, $64 for the whole thing, $40 a kg. Okay, look at how fresh this head is already booked already. But I'm telling you, the Balai Threadfin is damn beautiful one. Okay, look at how fresh and how red the yu sai is. Okay, so head's already sold. So those of you that wanted the head, sorry, don't have already. Okay, if you guys want Indonesian touchangs, we have nice big ones. 650 to 700 grams touchang down here, $25 each only. Very cheap. Okay, so go and get. Wow, it's very affordable right now. So go and get. Okay, Long Hu Pan, if you guys want, we have small ones. Okay, I know you guys like the smaller ones, are more towards personal size or 2 to 3 persons kind of thing. So we can butterfly for you. You can go and take and steam. Okay, so smallest one, 500 grams, $19. 650 grams, we got 2, $25. And the 700 grams, we have 1, $27. Okay, Angsai, okay, Emperor Red Snappers. Okay, we have the small ones as well for you guys. Smallest up here, 400 grams, $11. We have 450 grams one, $12. 650 grams, 700 grams one, $19. 750 grams one, $20, and the biggest is a 850 grams one, okay? So this one I can fillet for you, the rest I can't. Anything under 800, I don't fillet, okay? So this one, $22, okay? Down here, we got black groupers. These are farm ones, these are not the wild ones, okay? But farm ones are very controlled in quality and it's very nice to eat, okay? So don't be afraid of farm fishes, okay? End of the day, ethical. How ethical are them when farming, okay? What do they feed the fishes, okay? That's the important thing, okay? So we only get from their very ethical farms. We go and do some research on their farms and then we decide to get from them, okay? So black groupers, small one, 550 gram, $12. Okay, we got 2 of them here, actually 3 of them here. Okay, $12. 700 grams one, $16, and the 750 grams one, $17. So same thing, I can butterfly cut for you, easy to steam, okay? It will cook much faster that way. Chilean sea bass up there, 68 per kg. We also have the tails as well. Okay, so they all come pre-packed, vacuum packed like that. About 300 over grams to 400 over grams per bag. Okay, this is 72 a kg, but remember, you're not paying for the bones with this. So it works out as a better value. So those of you that need just the meat only, don't need the bones, or don't mind fillets, go for this one, it's better value. If those of you want steak cuts, then of course you have to go for this one, okay? 68 per kg. Understand? Red groupers, 3 very nice one for you guys, okay? The smallest being 1.15 kg, $44. 1.25 kg one, 48. And then the biggest one is a 1.45 kg one at $55, okay? So very beautiful red groupers, all can be fillet, all can be fish soup cut if you want steak cut or whatever, up to you guys, okay? I can do a mix as well, so don't worry, I can always like cut off a tail for you to steam. Center portion, maybe I can do fillets for you guys, the head I can cut small for soup or whatever that you want to do with it, okay? Just let me know. Saba one for 4, 3 for $10. We have sea bass as well, okay? Sea bass $7 each, okay? Today golden prover's nice and big, and only $7, okay? This kind of size normally I think about $8 to $9, but today only $7, okay? Cheap, okay? So go and get your golden prophets. Down here we have batu. Those of you who haven't tried batu before, can go and try. It's a very nice, these are Malaysian ones by the way, very nice mackerel species, okay? It's very similar to kambong, but they are a smaller breed, okay? And they are very cheap as well, okay? One whole plate like that, whole plate, how many fishes are there? I think 8 or 9, okay, fishes in a plate. $5 only for the whole plate. So it's a very budget. Those of you maybe want just a budget fish for pan frying, eat with your rice and stuff like that, go for this. It's a very nice fish to eat and also not expensive. Okay, you want something a bit nicer, go for the white pomfrets. These are Malaysian white pomfrets. Okay, look at how beautiful they are. And they are fat one, okay, all fat one, okay. These 3 of them in the plate, okay, $14, okay. This is very good. Okay, these are all of them all pupui one. You can see, all pupui one. I suspect they got eggs inside. Look at how fat they are. Okay, so go and get $14. Seldom we see such meaty baby white pomfrets. These are not really baby actually, the size pretty decent one, okay? Hamachi collars are back. Okay, so those of you waiting for hamachi collars, I only have 8 bags with me. Okay, one bag is roughly about 1.2 to 1.4 kg, that kind of weight. Roughly about that, okay? It's one bag like that, $45, okay? So it all comes vacuum packed and frozen. Okay, so just go back, go and grill it, maybe with some salt and pepper. I think it's good enough, okay? Very, very simple fish to grill, nice, oily and stuff like that, okay? Go and get, okay, $45, they are back. Sotong, those of you want the Malaysian sotong, the nice big Malaysian sotong, we got the medium sized ones and the big ones, okay? So let me know which one you want. Per kg, $22, okay? Best you tell me how many pieces. Very hard to get like you want 500 grams, very difficult to get the exact weight because of the size of it, okay? Just let me know, maybe you want 2 big pieces or you maybe 3 small pieces, that kind of thing. Okay, then easy for me to grab for you. Okay, then prawns, okay, before prawns we go to this one. Jade Tiger Abalone, $15 for half a dozen. Okay, prawns, we got a small glass prawns, okay? These are glass prawns, okay? These are morning live one as well, okay? So this one is 22 per kg, okay? Very, very good prawns, these are medium size. Okay, roughly about 20 over pieces per kg. We also have the angkahe. These are Indonesian angkahe. Okay, nice ones, 26 per kg only, okay? So beautiful, nice and fresh as well, okay? 26. And then down here, these are the live prawns, okay? These are live prawns. Morning or live one, but these are big ones, okay? This one 24 per kg, okay? So you got the prawns pricing correct, okay? 24 for the big live prawns, 26 for the angkahe, and then 22 for the live glass prawns. Okay, so these are the pricing for the prawns. Okay, so nice stuff today. Go ahead and buy, If you're looking for frogs, Uncle has 3 lonely ones down here. I don't know whether so or not, but 1 for 4, 3 for $10. If you're looking for shenyi, fillet or slices, okay, 32 a kg. Please specify if you want the skin or don't want the skin. Then the head is $350, the bone is $150 for you to do soup. Okay, then down here we have the freezer items. So the flower lala, $5 per packet. This one already descended. Okay, you can see So just wash and then you can start cooking already, okay? So $5 for this. Flower crab meat, $15. We have the snow crab legs. Okay, these are the imitation snow crab legs. Okay, this one $7 per pack. Halibut, if anybody wants, this is the last one. Okay, last pack of Greenland halibut, $14. We have the not sotong ball, fish balls. Okay, fish balls. These are made from Alaskan pollock. Okay, so go ahead and buy $5.50 for the fried ones. The cooked ones, I only have the last bag available. Okay, the rest are all fried. The cooked ones $5. Okay, so tomorrow restocking on the cooked ones. Okay, so if you want today, fried will have more. Okay, so whoever wants that, first come first serve. Okay, then down here we've got the wild salmon. These are sockeye salmon from Alaska. Okay, $16. We have Jindara or black cod. Okay, 88 per kg. This one very nice. If you haven't tried black cod before, you need to try. Okay. Also don't forget, we also every Friday we have a fresh batch of ordering for fresh batch of Alaskan fishes. If you want to know what the fishes do drop me a message. I'll let you know. Okay. Then big oysters, $15 per pack. We also have Moa Ota, 1 for $5, 2 for $9. Unagi, okay, this one 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave is good enough already. Okay, so it's already pre-marinated for you guys. Okay, $14 for this. Codfish bones, okay, $12 for 1 kg bag. We have pollock cubes as well. This one $25. This one is good for the kids. So just take out a few, cook for them, put back in the freezer. Okay, $25. These are the codfish tails. Unsalted silverfish, 1 packet, $5. Okay, these are unsalted ones, so add the salt to your own content. Scallops, we have 2 American scallops, big ones. This one $26, and we have the Australian ones. Okay, $20 per pack. Okay, so this one will be better for your steamboat. This one will be better for your stir fry. So if you're doing like asparagus, stir fries, that kind of thing, use this one. It has a very holds up the size. It has a very nice bite to it. Okay, if you want to go for something steamboat, these are the sweet ones. Okay, so these are the Australian ones. A bit more expensive, but worth it. Okay, so go and get. Okay, so that's what we have for you in the freezer. So let me have your orders by 1:30 p.m. Okay, then basically I'll get the drivers to come and pick up today and send out to you guys. Okay, so thank you for watching. So hope I covered everything. I didn't miss out anything. Okay, so just message me what fish you want, how to cut the fish, and where to send it to. These 3 things. Don't reply to me already. Then you just wait for me to get back to you. Okay, if not, you keep replying, it's going to go back and back and back in the queue, because the way WhatsApp works is once you reply to it, it jumps to the top. Okay, I read from the bottom. Okay, the oldest message. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so just leave it there, wait for me to confirm, then you can go and amend your orders or anything that you want. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and stock up on your Balai Trifin. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow in Wednesday's video. Bye bye.